Hello ladies and gentlemen, today on James's DIY project channel I'm going to show you guys how to build, create, and make a fire. I've had friends ask me to do this on my YouTube channel because their kids watch YouTube and do nothing else, and they want to get them out to start fires when they go camping. So this one's for you guys. I'll see you in the garage. Hey guys, so we're here cleaning out my wood stove so we can start a fire, okay? So as you can see, you have a clear shot to see the wood stove I did. And you're also going to see the fire grates I made to put inside of it to keep the wood up off the ground so it won't smoke out. So I'm just going to take the ash out of my wood stove. And I'm also going to let you guys know that I'm going to take this ash and put it into my gardens in my front and backyard so that it'll get more nutrients that it needs. There you go. If you guys want to look, you'll see it's a piece of angle iron. Let's get it closer up to you. Piece of angle iron, and that's what I use for my wood grates to keep it up off the bottom. I got 4 of these in there, and they're 3/8 thick. Some of the metal is still warm. I actually just had a fire about 4 hours ago. And that one I'm going to need to put a glove on to get out. This is the bad idea about emptying ash out of your stove after you had a fire about 4 or 5 hours ago. But I'm going to get this done, get it out, and then I'm going to show you guys how I start fires. I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just moving you down so you can see me set up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a cabin for my fireplace. Okay, so if you guys are standing there, you'll see me. When I start a fire, I always like to build a cabin to help get the fire going. So to build a cabin, you need to get some wood and stack it up like it's a wood cabin. I'm also using birch for the top, just because I have a lot of that with me. And then what I do after I'm done doing that is I go and I put paper, which is in this box that I just brought. And what I do is I put paper in between the middle, I mean. Then what I do is grab more kindling, small kindling right here, a ton of it. And what I do, this is the front of the fire, the front door's here. After I've lit it, is I go and I stack wood on top of it, like this, coming in of course from the front, so that the flames that are on the paper can start to ignite the wood, transfer the heat, which will transfer the flame. So I'm going to go set this up in my wood stove and give you guys a quick shot of it while I start it up. As you can see, I have the wood cabin put inside, set up, and the paper in between them to start the fire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go light it and then put my extra kindling on top. so the heat will transfer and it will start the fire. Just give me a second and I'll show you guys it. So if you guys see, I lit the one spot on fire and it's coming up from the bottom. You see the flames coming through? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the kindling and throw it over top. And then I'm going to grab some more paper and throw it in. So that the fire can transfer over. And if you want to intensify the flames, you can blow on it. Okay, so after I get this started, I'm going to show you guys a clip when I throw my logs in. Okay, so now you can see the fire is going pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it all down across the bottom, and then I'm going to throw logs in. So just give me a second. So there the fire's going, it's raging pretty good. So now I'm just going to throw some pieces of log in. And a full round. They're in there, the fire's going good. So it's going to be pretty good, it's warmed. As you can see, my fan's going. So it's going great. Hope you guys have fun and talk to you later.